pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Welcome to Lights Camera Theater. Today we'll be asking people to guess a musical based off the emojis. Feel free to play along.
That's me, Ross.
Yeah.
Okay, alright. Is this Little Mermaid? Legally Blonde? Wait. Is this? I was about to say Shrek. Wait, I have no idea which one this is this some Alice in Wonderland?
Is that SpongeBob?
Good morning, Pythons. My name is Sunny Perez.
And my name is Carla Laura.
And today we're going to be starting a new segment called Guess the Song.
If you Pythons can guess the song correctly, you get a chance to win 5 Python bucks.
Let's go! Angel!
Yeah.
If you guess the song, you win $5 in Python bucks.
Oh, bet, tell me. Isn't that the one with, Die With A Smile?
Yeah!
Frinkle.
Yes.
If you guess the song, you're going to win 5 Python bucks.
What the hell is this? I don't know what that song is.
5,
4,
3,
I don't know.
2,
What song
1.
is that?
It was DTMF by Bad Bunny.
Oh, I don't listen to Bad Bunny.
Okay. No, I mean.
If you guess the song, you're going to win $5 in Python bucks. Smack, okay. Go.
Espresso by Sabrina Carpenter.
Yes!
Welcome to Are You Smarter Than a 7th Grader? We're your hosts, Destiny
And Vanessa.
Today we put Somerset students up to the test to see if they're smarter than 7th graders.
Let's see if you can handle it.
Now let's get a little sciencey here. Here comes the next question. What process do plants use to make their food? Yes, photosynthesis. Yay! Let's start with an easy one to warm up those brain cells. What is the capital of the United States? For the final round, we have an ultimate question to prove that you're truly smarter than a 7th grader. What is the longest river in the world?
The Nile River.
Thanks for playing.
Tune in next time to see if other Somerset students can keep up with the 7th graders.
We're D
And V,
signing off.
Welcome to Senior Stories, and in this special episode, our graduating seniors are passing the torch with advice, tips, and personal experiences for all the lower classmen. Whether it's about navigating school, building lasting relationships, or preparing for the future, these seniors have been through it all and are ready to share what they have learned along the way. So let's go ahead and get started.
And my senior advice is don't afraid to be silly, and is to always put yourself out there.
And my senior advice is don't procrastinate.
My name is Angel, and my advice for the lower classmen would be to lock in.
My advice for the youngins will be to stay dedicated.
Hi, I'm Maddie, and my senior advice is to always have fun.
Eliana, and my advice is to live in the moment.
Thank you for joining us. Until next time, stay tuned for more stories, more inspiration, and more senior time. For Python TV, I'm Ariana Williams, reporting.
Welcome to SPA Villa, where sun, sass, and scandal are guaranteed. 6 hot singles are ready to find love, or cause trouble.
are short, I'm walking.
I just want a guy who's chill. He's funny and fun. I'm Sage.
I'm not here to play it safe. If I want a man, I'll get it.
Ladies, if you fancy Angel, please step forward.
I choose Carla, you know, like she's nice, she's pretty. I like her.
He talks big, but let's see if he backs it up.
Ladies, if you fancy Franco, please step forward.
Nice to meet you, Lily. I was hoping you'd step forward.
Ladies, if you fancy Adrian, please step forward.
I pick Sunny, I guess. They're sleeping on me now, but just wait.